Nighttime howling in cats is a behavior that can puzzle and sometimes frustrate pet owners, especially when it becomes a routine occurrence. The eerie, loud, and often drawn-out vocalizations that cats make in the middle of the night can disturb sleep and raise concerns about the cat's well-being. This nocturnal howling, also referred to as yowling, is not just random noise-making. It serves specific communicative and instinctual purposes rooted in feline behavior, biology, and emotional needs. Understanding why some cats howl at night requires an exploration of their evolutionary history, health, environment, and psychological state. Cats are crepuscular animals by nature, which means they are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. In domestic settings, this activity often extends into the night, especially when a cat's internal clock does not align with its human companion's sleep schedule. This instinctual wakefulness, inherited from their wild ancestors who hunted during low-light periods, explains why many cats exhibit bursts of energy in the evening. However, in some cats, this nighttime energy manifests not as playful activity but as vocal expression, howling, wandering, or calling out into the darkness. One of the primary reasons some cats howl at night is attention-seeking behavior. A cat may learn that howling elicits a response from its owner, whether that response is positive, getting fed or cuddled, or negative, being shushed or scolded. Either way, the cat achieves a form of engagement, reinforcing the behavior. This is particularly common in cats that are left alone during the day or who have developed strong attachment bonds with their human caregivers. For these cats, nightfall may bring a sense of loneliness or boredom, prompting them to vocalize as a way to reconnect. Another common cause of nocturnal howling is hunger. Some cats become accustomed to being fed at certain times and may start howling if their internal clock tells them it's mealtime, even if it happens to be the middle of the night. This behavior can be exacerbated if the cat's feeding schedule is irregular or if it has developed a habit of eating small meals throughout the day and night. In older cats, metabolic changes or medical conditions such as hyperthyroidism can increase appetite and make hunger-induced howling more pronounced. Territorial behavior is another factor, especially in unspayed or unneutered cats. Intact males and females may howl at night due to hormonal influences, particularly if they sense the presence of other cats nearby. A female in heat may yowl to attract a mate, while a male may vocalize in frustration or challenge if he detects a potential rival or a female in estrus. Even spayed or neutered cats may howl if they see or smell other animals outside, such as neighborhood cats wandering past a window. This type of howling is a form of communication that signals presence, desire, or warning. In some cases, nighttime howling is a symptom of cognitive dysfunction, particularly in senior cats. Feline cognitive dysfunction syndrome, CDS, is a condition akin to dementia in humans. It involves confusion, disorientation, and changes in sleep-wake cycles. A cat with CDS may wake up at night feeling lost, anxious, or unsure of its surroundings, prompting it to howl as a way of expressing distress or calling out for reassurance. These cats may also exhibit other signs such as pacing, staring at walls, forgetting litter box habits, or failing to recognize familiar people or objects. Anxiety or stress can also lead to nocturnal howling. Changes in a cat's environment, such as moving to a new home, the arrival of a new pet or baby, or even changes in household routines, can make a cat feel unsettled. Some cats vocalize more when they are anxious, particularly if they are naturally more vocal breeds or if they are struggling to adapt to the changes. The stillness of night may heighten these feelings, especially if the cat is alone in a dark, quiet space. Medical issues must always be considered when a cat begins howling at night, especially if the behavior is new or suddenly more intense. Pain, discomfort, or illness can prompt a cat to vocalize, particularly if the condition worsens in the quiet of night when distractions are minimal. Urinary tract infections, arthritis, digestive issues, and neurological problems are all potential triggers for vocal discomfort. A visit to the veterinarian is crucial if there is any suspicion that health concerns might be at the root of the behavior. Breed and personality can also influence nocturnal vocalization. Some breeds, like Siamese, Burmese, and other Oriental cats, are naturally more talkative and expressive. They may howl or yowl at night simply because that is their temperament. These breeds are known to seek interaction and may vocalize when they feel neglected or understimulated. In such cases, ensuring adequate daytime play, companionship, and mental stimulation can help reduce the need for nighttime communication. Cats are complex creatures, and their behaviors often serve multiple purposes at once. A cat howling at night may be expressing a blend of hunger, boredom, territorial defense, and emotional need. Addressing the behavior effectively requires understanding the individual cat's lifestyle, health, and environment. Solutions might include feeding the cat later in the evening, increasing daytime play and exercise, providing stimulating toys, or even creating a more secure and calming nighttime environment. Cats howl at night for a variety of reasons ranging from instinct and communication to medical or emotional issues. This behavior, while sometimes disruptive, is usually a form of expression that reflects a genuine need or discomfort. With careful observation, compassionate responses, and appropriate adjustments to care and environment, many cases of nighttime howling can be managed or resolved. For those cats that continue to vocalize, their nighttime howls are reminders of their rich inner lives and their enduring connection to the wilder instincts of their ancestors.